Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Doordash login error, guys. So usually if you are experiencing Doordash login errors, usually it's due to a third-party glitch, from a third-party vendor. For example, the app crashes when on the map page, things like that. But otherwise, if you want to fix the issue, usually you have to follow these steps. So keep in mind, guys, you need to have your login details with you because you are going to be logged out after you do these steps. So first things first, you want to go to launch settings on your Android device, go to settings, and then go to apps, and then you want to search for DoorDash. Tap on DoorDash, okay, and this options will come up, okay. So what you're gonna do, guys, next is tap on storage right here. Tap here on storage, and then you're gonna see a bunch of other options coming up. So we want to first clear data, and then we want to delete the data, okay, and then also clear the cache completely and delete it, okay. Then you just uninstall the app, okay, and just reinstall it again, download it again from the App Store, and you are going to be asked to re-log into your DoorDash app, and normally it works, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple if you are doing this on Android. And usually if you are doing this on iOS, usually all you need to do is restart your Wi-Fi and make sure you're not in airplane mode, or you can just temporarily, switch off from your Wi-Fi and use your data, mobile data instead. And then, guys, if that doesn't work still, guys, you can restart your phone, or as a last resort, just uninstall and then reinstall your DoorDash app like we did here in the Android. Right? Just uninstall the DoorDash app, turn off your phone for like 3 to 5 seconds, and then reinstall the app. Okay, and if you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, installing the app will use data and it could affect your data usage. So make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi when actually installing that. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. If you appreciate quick tips like this, guys, make sure you appreciate us in the comments, and as well, guys, make sure you subscribe